Greetings, developers! In this unit, we'll guide you through the crucial steps of deploying Lightning Web Component files. By the end of this unit, you'll be proficient in configuring LWC files for display in your Salesforce org, deploying them seamlessly, and verifying their behavior in the org environment. A critical file we haven't explored yet is the component configuration file, denoted by the .js meta.xml extension. This file serves as metadata for Salesforce, particularly providing design configuration for components intended for use in Lightning App Builder. Required fields: AP version binds the component to a specific Salesforce API version. Is exposed true or false. Determines if the component is exposed to Lightning App Builder or Experience Builder. If set to false, the component remains hidden. Optional fields: targets specifies the types of Lightning pages where the component can be added in the Lightning App Builder. Target configs allows you to define behavior specific to each type of Lightning page, such as object support for the component. Deployment process. Now let's walk through the deployment process. Configure files. Ensure your Lightning Web Component files are appropriately configured with the necessary metadata in the .js meta.xml file. Deploy to org. Utilize your Salesforce CLI to deploy the configured files to your org. This ensures your components are ready for action. Verify behavior. Once deployed, it's crucial to verify the behavior of your components in the org environment. Check if they align with your expectations and seamlessly integrate into your Lightning pages. Congratulations! You've mastered the art of deploying Lightning Web Component files. Whether it's configuring the vital.js meta.xml file or seamlessly deploying your components to the org, you're now equipped with the skills to enhance your Salesforce experience. Join us in the next unit as we explore advanced techniques in Lightning Web Components. Happy coding! Continue in the byte card project. Under Force App Main Default, right-click the LWC folder and select SFDX. Create Lightning Web Component. Enter byte card for the name of the new component. Press Enter and then press Enter again to accept the default Force App Main Default LWC. You will see that under Force App Hen Main Default shows LWCG byte card, an HTML file, a JavaScript file, a metadata XML file, and a test.js file will be created. In bytecard.html, take a div. Then write name, description, material, category, and price like this. In the bytecard.js file, give value to the variables. In the XML file, bytecard.js meta.xml, make the code change. Save your files. To open your org, use SFDX, open default org from the command palette in VS Code. In Setup, enter Lightning App Builder in the Quick Find box and then select Lightning App Builder. Click New. Select App Page and click Next. Give it the label byte card and click Next. Select one region and click Done. In Lightning App Builder, scroll down the components list until you see your byte card component. Now you can drag it onto the page, save the page, activate it, and the byte card component shows up on the assigned page. Drag your byte card component to the top of the page layout until the byte appears. Click Save. Click Activate. Keep Activate for all users selected, and optionally change the name or icon for your app. Click Save. You're asked to add your page to the navigation menus, but you don't need to. You can still get to your page in this environment. Click Finish. Click back in the upper left corner to exit the Lightning App Builder. From the app launcher, the 9-dotted icon, find and select Bike Card. Open it and see your component working in the UI. There you go, a shiny new bike. You've pushed a component to an org, seen it on the page, and can verify it in the UI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce customization tips. Check out the description below to connect with us. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.